All Earth's organisms are dependent on water. Everywhere, pure oxygen-rich water is essential in order for plants and animals to thrive. In many countries, therefore, the demands for the purification of sewage water is increasing from all establishments within society. And also internally, within industrial processes, the demands on water purity are very high. Pure water in the process leads to shorter service times, resulting in reduced costs. Hydrotech develops, manufactures and installs water filters for municipal and industrial plants all over the world. In the paper industry, wastewater treatment plants, within fish farming, everywhere in society where a high demand is placed on clean water. The disc filter consists of a rotating central drum onto which the discs with the filter media are assembled. The filter is suspended from a central shaft and two support wheels. Each disc consists of a number of disc segments. Mounted on the sides of the discs are the filter panels. Each panel is equipped with a rubber gasket and held in place by means of a locking frame. A filtration installation can be placed either in a concrete channel, in a basin, or as a freestanding pipe-fed filter equipped with a stainless steel tank. The water flowing in is filtered through the filter panels by means of gravity, as the influent water level is somewhat higher than the filtered effluent. The separated particles which collect on the inside of the filter cloth eventually create an increase in pressure, causing the water level in front of the filter to rise. When the level of the water reaches an inbuilt sensor in the system, the rotation and backwash cycle are activated by means of the automatic equipment. The Hydrotech Dis Filter is equipped with a moving spray bar. Its function is to reduce the consumption of backwash water and to increase the cleaning efficiency of the filter cloth. The reduced consumption of water results in energy savings of up to between 20 and 25%. Hydrotech's filters require less space, lower investment costs and lower operation costs than other mechanical water purification techniques. Furthermore, they are simple to maintain due to the patented filter elements. We will now show some examples of installations where Hydrotech's filters are being used, and the reason these particular techniques have been chosen. In the last few years, Hydrotech has worked intensively on developing effective filters for effluent polishing in wastewater treatment plants. Media with openings of 10 or 20 micrometers are used in the filters to remove the suspended solids and reduce effluent turbidities. The wastewater treatment plant in Hillerød in Denmark is one of the plants which has chosen the disc filter from Hydrotech. 5 filters were installed here in 1997, having a total capacity of approximately 2,300 cubic meters per hour. And the reason for this is to give the water a further polishing, particularly during periods of rain when there is often a too high discharge of suspended material. The disc filter solution is more economical than the sand filter system and more effective than a sedimentation plant. The traditional solutions which we examined cost in the region of 15 to 20 million kroner. We were afraid that these would lead to blockages of the sand filters as we had to expand with large rainwater basins, and that would mean a great strain on our secondary sedimentation process. This solution could be carried out for 8 million kroner, and as a result we could also expand the capacity of the secondary sedimentation process. Hydrotech also supplies filters to the pulp and paper industry, both for water supply and for filtering internally within the process. At Stora Hylte paper mill in southern Sweden, there is another example of the area of use. Here a disc filter type 1306 is used to clean the pulp water in order to reuse it for cleaning the wire sections of the paper machinery. Here the filter was installed in the available space within a limited area. After thorough evaluation, the Hydrotech Dis Filter was chosen and, due to the filter's compact external dimensions, a very space-saving installation could be achieved. In the latest years, the demand for our filters in municipal wastewater treatment plants has increased significantly. Hydrotech's technology has proven to be efficient for polishing the effluent of these plants. Therefore, Hydrotech has developed the 2200 series, a Dis filter specially designed for this need. Improved production methods and use of new materials give better value for money for the customer. The ABS plastic, which the filter segments are made of, weighs considerably less than stainless steel. However, the most important difference compared with the standard Dis filter is that the filter area per footprint has been increased by approximately 50%. Assembly and exchange of filter panels is even easier than before. The panel is inserted into the slots of the plastic segments. Each pair of filter panels is held in place with a locking cover which is mounted with 2 screws. The 2200 series is adapted for container transport and can therefore be readily assembled in Hydrotech's factory, which results in the lowest possible transport and installation costs. Here, an HSF 2214 is installed in Bouv Municipal Wastewater Treatment Plant in Denmark. Bouv is an activated sludge plant. Our filter polishes 800 cubic meters per hour, or 5 mgd of effluent with an 18-micron filter opening. In this installation, the Hydrotech Dis filter is used in combination with a UV disinfection because of the high demand on hygienic quality of the effluent water. The disc filter, with its compact design and great filtration surface area, is well suited when a fine filtration is required over a large area and when the space required for the installation is restricted. The advantages of using Hydrotech Dis filters are many. Apart from the fact that the filters are constructed with few moving parts, which guarantees a long and problem-free lifespan, they are also self-cleaning, function without pressure, and no chemicals are required to clean the filter media. Furthermore, Hydrotech filters require less space, lower investment costs, and lower running costs than other comparable mechanical water purification techniques. Hydrotech is a specialist in developing and manufacturing filters for the purification of water. We have offices and a factory in Vellinge to the south of Malmö, Sweden, and a worldwide sales network. Hydrotech was founded in 1984 and since then has developed into becoming Europe's leading company within this area, with thousands of installations all over the world. Many years of experience and a wide range enable us to offer the optimal filter design. In the events of new types of filtering demands or installations which are difficult to access, we offer a trial run on site. Hydrotech can also carry out installation and maintenance work. Comprehensive information material is available which can be supplied by post, fax or via our home page on www.hydrotech.se to assist you in your choice of filter type to fulfill your own specific requirements. You're always welcome to contact Hydrotech.